I'm here for helping people.
We've been in the field since Tuesday night.
The first night we went to the ER at the hospitals to help the hospitals and all the people who were injured.
There's people who are bleeding, who are crying, they lost everything.
A lot of people were actually shocked. The situation is devastating. And homeless people, they just don't know what to do. They're just carrying with them their bags, their mattresses, sleeping on the streets because they don't know where to go. They have no home, no food.
We start providing food, medicines, water, food kits for people, cleaning injuries and doing first aid. And we're helping people to clean their houses, all the roads.
They also really need psychological help because a lot of people live the trauma. A lot of people saw their city getting destroyed.
The good things and all what happens after the explosion, it's people and volunteers because everyone need to help. Everyone is willing to help. Regardless coronavirus and COVID who is everywhere.
Just being here by their side is enough for us to just keep working. So we're continuing till the situation gets better. So that's the plan.